Brown, Crypto, buy, sell, during the coldest wave, plan to sell. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski Dag? Time for the lightning round. We start with Mark in Florida. Mark.
Hi, Jim. Thank you for having me on your show. I believe this is the fourth time. My stock has risen like a phoenix from the ashes. It was $4 a share in 2020. Today it's hovering around $17 a share. And that's thanks to the co-CEOs of Tom Long and Matthew McRae, which I hope one day you'll have on your show. My belief is to rise exponentially as a pick and shovel energy stock, supplying natural gas to AI and data centers yet to be built.
And which one is this?
World. What do you have to say about energy transfer?
I like energy transfer very much. I've got to tell you, Enterprise Product Partners is the one I do recommend how to make money in any market, but and ONE because I really like those. But energy transfer is an excellent company. Let's go to Wyatt in Maryland. Wyatt.
Jim, thanks so much for taking the call.
Of course.
I have someone here who has a question for you.
All right, sure.
Mr. Cramer, my name's Wyatt. I'm 9 years old. My dad's an investor and bought me shares of Toast a few years ago. It's up a lot since, but it's pulled back recently. As a restaurant owner, what do you think about Toast as a company, and would you do anything with the position ahead of the quarter?
Wow. I mean, think about that. Now, that kid's got horse sense. I think Toast is, right now it's trading on the idea that the restaurants aren't doing well. Not that Toast isn't doing well, because Toast happens to be doing very well. And you're right to be able to look at that company and make that judgment away from the restaurant business. I would be a buyer of Toast, but only after they report on November 4th. And thank you. I like the kid. The kid stays. All right, let's go to Joe in Iowa. Joe.
Jim, my 4-spec DVLT, I got in at 31 cents. I've been buying at the lows, harvesting the highs, and in the meme rat.
But this thing is getting, it's losing money. It's losing money hand over fist. I would take off a little, let the rest run. Your cost base has got to come out right now. 3 times your cost base to take out. Then you can't lose money. How about that? Let's go to Steve in Arizona. Steve.
Hey, Jimmy. Long time listener for 35 years plus. And if we could only bottle your energy with your intellect, all the world's problems would be done, sir.
Well, that's a nice thought.
I got a question about a little company that came across my scanner about a year ago, Sealsq, Laes. It's a small post-quantum company. I love what they're doing. I've already rang the register 3 times on this one.
Well, Steve, I'll tell you what I'm going to have to do. I'm going to have to go to the man who knows Sealsq better than anyone. I'm going to go to Ben Stoto and I. Means he doesn't know it any more than I do, probably. And you know more than we do. I am not going to opine on something where this man is an expert and I am an amateur. I don't like being an amateur. I will be a professional by the next time you talk about Sealsq, symbol L-A-E-S. And that, ladies and gentlemen, good up the lightning round.
The Lightning Round is sponsored by Charles Schwab. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on X. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadMentions. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.